Yep, as you can see, it is raining and this guy gives no fucks. As you can see, 0 fucks are given by this guy. Going pretty hardcore out here. Rain. Fuck. What rain? Huh? Yeah? As you can see, it's raining. He don't give a fuck. This guy is not giving up. He brought it into the garage to clean the wet grass out so he can go out and get some more grass mowed. I'm assuming he's one of them workers that work very long days throughout the week, and come rain or hell or high water, this guy's getting it done today because that was on his fucking plans. Hopefully he ain't sick next week and miss any fucking days of work next week. As that rain today is cold and it's about 50 some degrees out. There he goes, y'all. He's back at it.